Hello, welcome to this week's meditation. Before we start, I wanted to give you a little bit of information. Yeah, I did that beginning part out. Hi, welcome to this week's meditation. Before we actually get into the meditation, I wanted to talk just a little bit about why we meditate. It creates emotional balance, and obviously, there are lots of studies about the physical benefits of meditation. One of the things that not everyone talks about is the fact that if you meditate every day, you only have to put in about 10 minutes in order to get all of the benefits out of it. So take that for what you will. And like I said, it does create emotional balance. It becomes much easier to deal with things as they come and keep your serenity. So, yeah. Anyway, turn off all your electronics except for this one. Turn off your alerts. Make sure you're not going to be disturbed. Find a comfortable position and close your eyes and start to focus on your breath, allowing your breathing to lengthen and slow. Feeling the air coming into your body as you inhale. Feeling the air leaving your body as you exhale. Feel your chest expand and contract. Notice what other muscles in your body engage as you breathe. Feel the breath in your abdomen. Feel the breath in your back. You may feel the breath in your hips or your shoulders or your neck. Just allow yourself to be aware of what it feels like physically when you breathe. And start to connect with the earth, allowing roots to grow out of your tailbone, down through what you're laying on or sitting on, through the building itself and its foundation, all the way down into the topsoil and the bedrock beneath. Becoming aware of the energy of the ground beneath you, of the quality of the spirit of space that you are in. And allow your awareness to move outward through the ground, connecting to the roots of living things. And if you're in a city, you may need to throw your roots down further before you can do this. And reaching out your awareness through the ground, connecting with the things that live under the earth, in the earth, connecting with the roots of living things, connecting with the ground itself, becoming aware of the different flavors of energy that exist around you within the ground. And continue sending your awareness outward through the earth, maybe contacting a body of water and feeling how that energy feels. Maybe connecting with something like a pocket of gas or tar or even oil, feeling how the energy of that feels. Noticing the energy of seeds sprouting, or the shift in the patterns of sap in the trees. Bringing the energy of your breath with you, with your awareness, so that if you find a space that feels uncomfortable or out of balance, you can bring it the energy of your breath so that it can loosen and start to shift and possibly heal. And bring your attention back to the breath in your body. Feeling the inflow of your breath, feeding your heart center, feeling the outflow of your breath, releasing. And allow the energy of your breath to expand through your entire heart center, through your entire upper torso as you inhale, feeding you, nurturing you. Allowing you to release as you exhale. And each time you inhale, you bring a little bit more energy in, so that the energy of the breath expands out past your torso, coming back in and releasing as you exhale. And every time you inhale, that energy of the breath expands out a little bit further from your physical form, coming back in and allowing you to release as you exhale. And you're running enough energy through your heart center to start to really bring awareness into your joy, into your gratitude, into the energy of love that you have within you. Even if it's small, the energy of the breath is feeding it, growing it, making it more tangible. So that as you inhale and the energy of the breath expands out past your physical form, it takes some of that energy of joy and love and gratitude with it, perhaps connecting with other things, other beings that also have love and joy and gratitude, activating them so that as you exhale, bringing that energy back into you, your energy of love and joy and gratitude is increased by those around you, allowing you to release what isn't love and joy and gratitude as you exhale. And this isn't just about people, it's about animals and plants, breathing the energy of the breath and the love and the joy and the gratitude, expanding it out past you ever further as you inhale, pulling any love and joy and gratitude that might come to you back into your center and releasing anything that no longer serves you as you exhale. And we do this not just as a personal practice to feed ourselves, but to connect us with those things, those beings, those energies around us. We have a certain amount of responsibility towards the world around us. And so sending out love and joy and gratitude offers those things and those beings around us an opportunity to heal. And we heal ourselves in the process. And you can send the energy of the breath down through your roots and through your awareness in the ground as well. Sending love and joy and gratitude. And allowing yourself to be blessed with the love and joy and gratitude of the energy around you. If you live out in the country, you may already have a sense of the energy around you. It's harder to do when you live in the city, but no less important. Perhaps even more important since you have less of a daily awareness of it. Expanding the energy of the breath out past you ever further, sending out love and joy and gratitude. Increasing the love and joy and gratitude in those things and those beings around you. So that as you exhale, pulling that energy of the breath back into you, you are blessed by the love and joy and gratitude of other beings and of the space itself. You might also extend the energy of the breath upward into the sky, connecting with those energies, sending love and joy and gratitude out into the world, bringing love and joy and gratitude back into you, back into your center as you exhale. And start to become more aware of your physical form and how the sensations have changed within you. As you start to bring your awareness back more into the here and the now and into your present, I'd like to read you a blessing from the Essenes. At this time of newness, of moving faster into the unknown, never let me forget that while I am new, I am also old. There is an ancient part of me that will provide the source of knowing as my newness wanders forth to seek its true identity. I am new. I am ancient. I am. And wiggle your fingers and your toes. Feel the air on your skin. Stretch if you need to. And when you're comfortable doing so, you can go ahead and open your eyes. And feel free to take this practice with you as you go about your week. Have a wonderful day.